Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.2.23 Input Base Glass Fuel Service Charge. Glass fabricators handle fuel service charges differently. The fuel service charge is particularly applied to tempering. The rate varies and it may not be itemized by the vendor. In this example, 14% rate is used on the full cost of the glass, polish, and temper processes combined. Enter 14% fuel service charge in cell T43. Data filter is applied in column I, using for criteria the words pedestal example. How to use column C through I is discussed in step 3. After entering the price, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 2.2.23 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.2.24.